What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Openleverage OLE, which has hit a huge green candlestick in the last 24 hours, has taken a little step back in value, currently trading in red here at 0.04537 cents, and as you guys can see has gone up over 45% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be going through what has caused this pump, why has it pumped up so much, and what is next for Openleverage. Is it going to literally drop back down in value? Is it going to hit more green candles over the coming days, weeks and so on? And essentially covering buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option right now. Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it? And covering its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, looking at how high this crypto can go, and is it a crypto still worth investing into. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Openleverage, which at the moment is trading above the SMA indicator here in red. However, prior to that, over the last week or 10 days, it was not performing too well and below the SMA indicator. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Not just that, but they are looking quite steep as well, heading towards the negative direction. So according to the graph, an overall major drop in value is what is expected, which is not realistic guys. So yes, I'm expecting an overall dip down in value over the next 12 to 14 hours, but not a crash. So heading below the 4 cents target is where I'm expecting Openleverage to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Reason for that is, yes, it's done crazy number percentage increase earlier this morning, going from, let's have a look here, literally just under 3 cents all the way up to near about 0.063 cents, which is a huge increase in value, near about 100%. So it has taken a dip down, and I'm expecting more red candles over the coming hours. So it should be hovering below the 4 cents target is what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit skeptical. Yes, the blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what this means for Openleverage, according to the graph, is an overall fluctuation in value over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, the crypto should be hovering around 0.045 cents in value, which I'm not in line with. I am expecting the crypto to take a dip down in value over the coming week, trading near about 0.035 cents in value is where I'm expecting Openleverage to be trading at by the end of this week and early next week. So do expect it to be quite volatile with green and red candles, but the overall outcome, unfortunately, once again, does seem to be more on the negative side. Now moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, again we are looking quite skeptical, just like the previous graph. Both the lines are going in opposite direction to each other, so I'm not expecting an overall fluctuation in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks. Mid to late May 2024, I am expecting Openleverage to be hovering around the 5 cents target, so at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment is where I'm expecting the crypto to be hovering around over the coming approximately 2 months. Again, Reason being is we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, in literally a couple of weeks time, which should have an impact on not just Open Leverage but the crypto market in general. But regarding that, I will keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well, on how the crypto market will get affected and how you should get prepared for that as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are literally at the resistance level. It did pump up earlier this morning into the green zone and then realized the crypto is overvalued and has now dropped back down into the red zone, very close to the resistance target. But what I'm expecting now is for it to drop down a little bit further down into the red zone and potentially hovering around that price range. But again, over the long term, so later on in 2024, I'm expecting the crypto to be hovering around the 5 cents target, which means it should essentially break out from the red zone and hover in the green zone. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 570% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.9 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious, because of the major pump that took place very early this morning and right now has slowly started to drop. Over the week 28% and over the month over 315%. guys, the crypto went absolutely crazy earlier on in February, just about a month ago, guys. As you guys can see, it literally, sorry, not in February, in March, so very early this month, it literally went from a major increase in value all the way up to, let's have a look here, about 11 cents is what it hit, and then straight away dropped back down in value. And I did expect it to drop down in value when it was doing a stupid increase in value, because it was way overvalued and there was no way that it would have stabilized around 10-11 cents, so a dip was inevitable. So this is my take and my prediction on Open Leverage. Can this crypto potentially hit 10 cents in 2024? Yes, it could. In Q4 of 2024 is when I'm expecting Open Leverage to be heading over around the 10 cents target. Let me know in the comment section down below how high and how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.